Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss now the previous lecture. Previous lecture you have seen the monosaccharides. Now today the monosaccharides are classified into two types: is on aldose and the ketose. Previous lecture you has been already discussed the aldose. Now today we will see the ketones. Today we will see the ketose sugar. It contain the ketose sugar contain the ketone group. That's why it's called as the ketosis. Yesterday you have seen this. Now today the ketose sugar is an example. Now first triose. Triose means triose. It contain the 3 carbon. It contain the 3 carbon C O H H H and C double bond O, C O H and H H. Example of triose is the ketone sugar is dihydroxyacetone. Dihydroxyacetone. See how will you write the dihydroxyacetone? It's a dihydroxyacetone. It contains 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. It having the 3 carbon. It's a basic nucleus of the ketones. You can write down in the simple manner dihydroxy CH2OH, C double bond O, CH2OH. It contains 3, 1, 2 and the 3. Name is dihydroxyacetone. That is a basic nucleus. Every ketone molecule is there. They having the carbon number 1 CH2O and carbon last carbon CH2OH and carbon number 2 C double bond. It's a basic nucleus of the tri. It contain the triose. Now the next is tetrose. Ketone sugar is a tetrose. It contain 4 carbon atom. Kya? It contain the 4 carbon atom. Write down 4 carbon atom. Now you know the basic nucleus CH2OH is the first, second C double bond O, third COH and the H and CH2OH. It's the name of that compound is known as triose. 1, 2, 3, 4. It contains the 4 carbon atom. It's having the functional group is a ketone. That's why it's called as a ketone group. It called the ketosis, and it's an example of the monosaccharide of the triose of ketone group. Molecule name is tetrose. Similarly, pentose. Next is a pentose. It contains the 5 carbon atom CH2OH, C double bond O, CH2OH, H give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. That name is called as ribulose because it contains the 5 carbon and it's having the ketone group, and that's why it's called the ketosis. Is called as a ketose sugar, and it's a pentose is contain 5 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example of that compound is ribulose, and it's belonging to the category of the ketone sugars. Okay, see, and the basic nucleus CH2OH is the first, CH2OH is the last, and functional group is the ketone. That the functional group is a ketone group. The functional group is the ketone group, is most important. That's why it's belonging to category of the ketone sugars. Okay, now the next example, hexose. It contain the hexose contain the 6. The hexose contain the 6 carbon, and it's having belonging to category of the ketone sugars. The example is a fructose. Now see the structure. It contains 6 carbon, CH2OH, second carbon ketone, third COH, CH2OH, H, here H is OH, then COH, COH, H is 10 okay, H and CH2OH. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The example of the hexose sugar of ketone. Hexose is a ketone sugar. Example is fructose. It contains the ketone group. The hexose example of the aldose is a sugar. Example is a glucose, mannose, galactose, and lactose. They contain the aldehyde group. Now here contain the ketone group. Now is a example of monosaccharides. Now the the monosaccharides completed out the monosaccharide. Now you discuss the next disaccharides. Disaccharide. Disaccharides. Di means it contains 2 molecules of monosaccharides. After hydrolysis, it should be the same or the different. It's a disaccharides. Okay, see, disaccharides, it contains 2 molecules of these carbohydrates. See, the di means 2 molecule, saccharide, sugar. Now see the disaccharides. These carbohydrate, produce 2 molecule of same or different monosaccharide on hydrolysis. These are the definition of disaccharides. See carefully. These carbohydrate produce 2 molecule of same or different monosaccharide on hydrolysis. After hydrolysis of carbohydrate, it should be give the two same or different molecule of monosaccharides on the hydrolysis. Now the general formula. The general formula Cn bracket complete in bracket CH2n raised to minus 1 C. Cn, n is number of time, bracket in the bracket water, H2O molecule, H2O bracket close, n minus 1. It's a general formula. Now the example of disaccharides. Example of disaccharide: lactose, maltose, sucrose. Now the disaccharide, it can be differentiated by sugar. It's a non-reducing sugar and the reducing sugars. Now the first you can see their examples. See the lactose, maltose and the sucrose. Okay, now give the heading. Now first you can see the structure of first example. You see the maltose. Give the heading. Maltose. Maltose. Okay. Now, what is disaccharide? These are the carbohydrate produce two molecule of same or different monosaccharides on the hydrolysis. Now here the maltose. Now see the structure of maltose. It is composed, maltose, it is composed of two alpha D glucose unit held together by alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage or bond. Now what is maltose? Maltose is composed of two molecules, which are two molecule alpha D glucose unit held together by, these are the two molecules joined together, 1,4 alpha glycoside linkage. Now here see the structure of Now means here maltose is made up of by two molecule of glucose joined together by 1,4-alpha linkage, that called the glycosidic linkage, and that compound is called as the maltose. Now see the structure of glucose. The first alpha D glucose. Now alpha D glucose. See, these are cyclic structure. Alpha. See very carefully. Yeah? You can draw the structure very proper. Don't make silly mistake. Now now here means this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, this. Okay, the number should be given, the linkage. Abhi now the what is now here, what is linkage? 1,4 glycosidic linkage. 1,4 pen is not proper. Again I can draw the structure. Okay, see that's the structure of this. That linkage is called as the glycoside linkage. Now that linkage is called the join together the two molecules. It is composed by two molecules of monosaccharide. Which are the monosaccharide? Is a glucose unit, that is alpha D glucose unit joined together by 1,4 glycoside linkage. What is disaccharide? It is composed, it is disaccharide of the two molecule. These, what is disaccharide? These carbohydrate produce two molecule, same or different on hydrolysis. Now here give the example. ये यहाँ पे H आएगा, H. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Then यहाँ पे CH2OH, it's a 6H. Now the linkage, यहाँ पे OH, H. Now here OH, H, OH, H. That structure called the alpha D glucose. Now similarly here give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, CH2OH, number 6. Now here is alpha D glucose, that linkage called as glycosidic linkage. Okay, now what is disaccharide? See, this carbohydrate produce two molecule of same monosaccharide on the hydrolysis is called as maltose. Now what is maltose? It is composed of two alpha D glucose unit. The 1 alpha D and 2 held together, joined हो गए हो. which bond? The first, that number, that first alpha, ये number 1 1. What is 4? Second, ये 4. That linkage called glycoside. ये linkage कौन सी है? ऊपर से नीचे आया, that's why ये ऊपर से goes to downward, that's called the alpha. That's why linkage called as the 1,1,4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Now what is maltose? Maltose is made up of two molecules of alpha D glucose joined together by alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage is called as the maltose. ये this structure is, whole structure is called as maltose. ये कौन सा structure है? This should be the maltose. Okay, now it's a structure of maltose. Is always asked the annual exam. See the structure of, it's a cyclic form and it's a straight form of the carbon. How you can draw the glucose? CH2 C double bond H, COH, COH, H, COH, H, COH, H and CH2OH. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, ये 1 because aldehyde group is joined. 1, 2, ये यहाँ पे OH, H, यहाँ पे one side this, opposite side this, OH, H, 4, ये 4 joined together, that the 4, ये 4, this the 4 joined together by 1, ये एक का, ये यहाँ पे इसको join हुआ, that's why H aldehyde. बाद में 5, ये कार्बन 5 आया, this join and 6 CH2OH. Now here H. Now this is the structure of this cyclic form and it's a straight carbon change form of the alpha glucose. They are joined together and the maltose is having joined together by two molecule of alpha D glucose joined together by 1,4 alpha linkage, and that molecule compound is called as a maltose. Maltose is example of the disaccharide. What is disaccharide? This carbohydrate produce the two molecule of same on the hydrolysis. इसका hydrolysis होगा, what happen? They give the similar molecule alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. That's why you write down the disaccharide, same or different monosaccharide on the hydrolysis. The example of that maltose is first. Now see the maltose. ये maltose क्या रहता है? The maltose having the free aldehyde group. Maltose having free aldehyde group present on, where? Present on carbon 1 of second glucose molecule, second glucose molecule. Hence it is reducing sugar and it show mutarotation and oxazole formation. the maltose is the reducing sugar. Why? Because it having the free aldehyde group where the carbon number 1, of which second, now here of which the second molecule of this glucose, hence it is the reducing sugar. And also it show the mutal rotations and formation of Osazone reaction, hence it is called as the reducing sugar. The maltose, it is not in the free form in the body. The maltose is not in free form in the body. It is produced during the digestion of starch by amylase enzyme. Now see, maltose is not formed in the free form in the body, because when you can digest the starch with the help of enzyme amylase, and they produce the maltose. Okay, now the next example. Now see the next example. Lactose. Now here another example of the disaccharide. Now the lactose. Now tell me what is the lactose? Most common name of the lactose. Lactose is commonly known as the milk sugar. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Milk sugar. Now lactose is composed by of, see, important now, the lactose is composed of, see, now what is lactose? Lactose is the milk sugar, commonly known as lactose is the milk sugar. Now the next is the lactose is composed. Now how to prepare, how to obtain, how to made up of the lactose of beta D galactose and alpha D glucose held together. ये दोनों ज्वाइन हो जाते, held together by by that linkage. Now 1,4 that is beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Lactose is composed of two molecules of monosaccharide. Now previously is a maltose is composed by two molecules of alpha D glucose unit and the alpha D, now the same molecule of monosaccharide. Now here lactose is composed of two molecules of monosaccharides, different molecules, beta D galactose and alpha D glucose. They are two different molecules held together by beta linkage, 1,4 glycoside linkage. Previously is the maltose held together by alpha linkage 1,4. Now here the galactose. Previous structure, previous question बताना आपको, ये भी स्ट्रक्चर लगेगा आपको, वो भी लगेगा आपको. Now see, now here is a galactose. Lactose is composed by beta D galactose and alpha D glucose held together by beta 1,4 glycoside linkage. Previously the linkage 1,4 alpha tha, now here is a beta. Now previously joined the alpha D glucose unit is 2 unit, now here beta D galactose 2 different unit. Now what is disaccharide? These are the carbohydrate of two molecule, same or different monosaccharide. On the hydrolysis यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, two different molecules. Now see the structure, see the structure. अभी structure निकालेंगे. Galactose, you know the galactose different and the glucose difference. The carbon number 4 OH hydroxy position is changed. Now here is draw the first structure, galactose. Now alpha D, beta D galactose. Now what is beta D galactose? See, the structure is so different, but you know the galactose states structure. Now here linkage, which linkage? Beta. Upper, lower start alpha and upper goes to beta. Now that's why the linkage C, that called the beta. That first you can see the what is beta linkage. Beta, that is carbon number 1. Another molecule is a alpha D, which 4. Previously you know the which, where is the 4 carbon, alpha D glucose. Okay, now see alpha D glucose, that is 4. Now that linkage is called as a beta 1,4, beta again, don't make confusion. Now here beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage or bond. Now where, what is the, that is a beta D galactose, Now see the difference. Now here number 2, 3. Now where is the changes take place in the 4. Epimer of the glucose epimer of the galactose as carbon number 4, configuration is changed. Okay, now see here H OH OH H OH number 5 H CH2OH. Now here OH H. Now here OH H Now what is the galactose? The galactose is configuration change in which number? Carbon number 4, where the OH group shifted to the left hand side. The previously OH group of glucose unit is a downward side. Now here H, and that is a OH. Now 5H and CH2OH. Now that is called the beta D galactose, and the glucose, that is a alpha D glucose. Now see very carefully what is lactose. Lactose is made up of by two molecules of disaccharide, two different molecules of disaccharides, beta D galactose and alpha D glucose, joined together by beta 1,4 glycosaccharide linkage. Such compound is called as the, ये पूरा नाम क्या है इसका? लैक्टोज. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? That is a lactose. Now previous structure of the maltose. Compare it. Are you seeing both structure? Okay. Now get it. Now see the both structure. This is the structure of maltose. Okay. Now see the OH. Alpha D glucose OH is a downward position, and the galactose goes to the upward position. The configuration is changed. Carbon number 4. OH is goes to the right side to the left hand side. That is called the galactose, and OH2 goes to downward side. That is called the alpha D glucose. See, it's a very minor changes. Don't make silly mistake during draw the structures. Okay. See the alpha D glucose. Two molecule of monosaccharide joined together by 1,4 alpha. That is called the maltose. Two different molecules joined together respectively, beta D galactose and alpha D glucose, joined together by beta 1,4 glycoside linkage. Now here that is maltose 1,4 alpha linkage. See the difference between the beta and the alpha linkage. Now okay, are you understand? Okay. Now see the next point. Lactose. The anomer, the lactose, the anomeric carbon of C1 glucose is free, hence lactose exhibit reducing sugar property, reducing sugar properties, and oxazole formation and hence show rotation. It is reducing sugar. The maltose and the lactose is reducing sugar because is a carbon number 1. Aromatic show the free aldehyde group, is a free glucose show the free aldehyde group and is exhibit the reducing property, and it show the formation of oxazole, and then it show the mutarotation, hence it is called the reducing sugars. Okay. Now the one remain. The next is a sucrose. Now see the sucrose. Next is it's the last example of disaccharide, sucrose. Sucrose is made up of, it is made up of, now see, it is sucrose, it is made up of of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. See, sucrose is made up of two different molecules of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. These two molecules held together or joined together, held together by alpha 1 and the 2 glycosidic linkage. Okay, now draw the structure of the sucrose. One minute. Now see the structure. Draw very carefully. Yeah? Sucrose is joined together by alpha D glucose. Draw the structure of alpha D glucose. One, two, three, four, five. HNCH2OH, that is 6. Now here sucrose is joined together by alpha 1 alpha, that is alpha 1 H OH H OH H, that is OH H, that called the alpha D glucose. Now the joined together by, now here is most important structure of fructose. You know the cyclic form of the structure of fructose, so important. Now here what is the one linkage, 1 and 2 alpha. Now the first, what is fructose? CH2OH, yeah, CH2OH, that is number 1. That's why here is 2, 3, 4, 5, and then CH2OH is a 6 and the H, and here OH and the H, OH and the H. Now it's called the why? Because of it's a beta fructose. Here is the simple manner. You have to say the sucrose is made up of by two monosaccharide different molecules joined together, the glucose and fructose, by alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Now what is sucrose? It's a disaccharide. They having the two different molecules. They join together by which linkage? that linkage, see the 1 2, hence that alpha 1 2 glycosidic linkage, and the whole structure is called as a sucrose. Sucrose is made up of by alpha D glucose and beta D fructose joined together by 1,2 alpha linkage, glycoside linkage of two different monosaccharides. That's why it's called, these are the two monosaccharides. Fructose is having the ketone group, glucose having the aldose group. They are the two different molecules joined together. What is disaccharide? These are the carbohydrate having the two or same different molecules of monosaccharide on the hydrolysis same आएंगे, नहीं तो different आएंगे. इसका hydrolysis होगा, it can give the different molecule. Same is given to the maltose, lactose is given the different. Hence these are the disaccharides. The lactose and the maltose is of reducing sugar because they are having the free aldehyde group. But in case of sucrose, it has no free aldehyde group. Hence, it does not show muta-rotation. It does not show muta-rotation and not form oxazole. Hence, it is non-reducing sugar. Now, hence it is a non-reducing sugar. Are you understand disaccharides? Their definition, their example, and this example again explain how they are composed, how is made up of, their linkage, and their reducing sugar. And the disaccharide is also classified disaccharide is reducing or non-reducing sugar. Reducing sugar is maltose, lactose, and non-reducing sugar is sucrose. Okay. Now, earlier I told to you, prepared a chart. Last lecture told to you. Now this chart. Now here, see. Here write down monosaccharide. The monosaccharide is a simple form of the sugar. Is not hydrolyze them. Example. इसका example glucose, fructose, glyceraldehyde, dihydroxy, acetone or ketone. Okay. Now what is disaccharide? These are the, now here you can write down in the disaccharide. These are the carbohydrates having two same or different molecule of monosaccharide on the hydrolysis. Example write down, and then briefly you can write down and made up by the chart. Okay. Thank you.